It's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Ooh, really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a boo.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Miss Charlton. In today's video we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning and organizing. So I have the whole house basically to clean today, my room, the bathroom, to give like a nice deep clean, and I'm gonna be just showing you guys. And also it's just here as good company because I've been putting this off for some time now, because cleaning is just not for me. I will clean, but when you have like this house that I live in, it is so hard to maintain, literally. It's so hard to maintain, and it requires a lot of cleaning because for some reason it just attracts a lot of dirt and we don't know why. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning today, and I'm gonna be let you guys just watch me and also keep my company, and then you can probably use this as well as some form of motivation so you can get up off your ass and do some cleaning as well.
It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city?
We have like hard water in the property, or in this area I think. So whenever the water drip on like anything at all, it turns like this white. It's not dirty, it's just hard water, which is so annoying, because literally when you clean the stuff they get like this. And even like on like the top as well, if you don't wipe the water it just looks like really white. Same with like the bathroom and stuff. And it's just the water because of how hard it is. But we just have to clean these stuff really often because of how it gets.
Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
I'm honestly not really a fan of cleaning this oven, because no matter how much you clean it, there's still like a bit of grease left. So I think it needs professional clean anyway. I got like a special cleaner to clean it before, and that didn't really work. But I'm gonna be soaking this anyway. I'm using this kitchen degreaser, and it basically says it removes 100% of the dirt removed, and it also works in seconds without scrubbing. So we're gonna see if this works. But I just really need to get this oven, these grease to like pretty much go away, really. Oh.
But that's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways, that I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love in the dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I guess.
I am basically done cleaning the kitchen. It is nice and clean. Cupboards are looking nice and glossy. The dishes are still washing in the dishwasher. But the kitchen is done for the most part. I just need to do the floor, like wipe out and stuff. But I'm gonna be doing the surfaces in the sitting room as well, and just do like one wipe rather than wipe here and then do surface and then wipe again.
I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
I'm not gonna lie, I had to stop for a little bit and just rest. The kitchen and the sitting room honestly just tired me out. Now I'm in the bedroom. I'm gonna be stripping my bed because I'm gonna be changing my sheets and put some fresh sheets on. Actually, before I even start, let me just show you like a before and after the bedroom. It's not like super messy, but it's not like neat. But anyways, this is what the bed is looking like. She need to strip, sheet need to change. Over this side is what mostly need to be organized because that's where my packages are. And then we have this desk. This is my makeup / work area that just need to declutter and organize a little bit. And then this is what's happening on the floor. I just put those there because I'm going to be using them to clean. And that's basically what I've done. And then I just need to probably organize my closet just a little bit, just to fold like stuff up there. I think this corner is as organized as it's gonna get for now. I put that plant there. I'm gonna take it up. I think I'm gonna move it because it's in my room at the moment and it's on my desk. It made my desk look a little bit cluttered because of how it grows, so I'm gonna move that somewhere else. That right there is my projector that I have on my tripod, but I'm using my tripod at the moment. So this is as organized as it's gonna get. I only have like this part to clean up now, and it's pretty much, some of it is trash and then some of it does need to go in its respective place. Yeah, we're getting somewhere, but honestly I am so tired. Cleaning is so draining, so draining.
Beyond words can't describe how you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away.
Done cleaning the bedroom. It is so nice and clean and refreshing in here. My camera battery is also dying, so what I'm gonna do is probably leave the camera to charge for a little bit. You guys won't even notice in the vlog, so I don't even know what I'm telling you, but I'm gonna leave to charge because it's a Sunday and I need to go grocery shopping because the grocery store closed a little bit early, so I'm gonna have to run. So that even gives me a bit of break from the cleaning. But this is what the bedroom is looking like, nice and clean. Desk area is also nice and clean than what it looked like. Time to clean my bathroom space. This shouldn't take me more than 20 minutes to clean, fingers crossed, because it's not really dirty in here. I cleaned it like maybe a week or two ago, so it should be a really quick clean. I'm going to start by cleaning and basically organize this shelf that I have here. And I just use this as like extra storage for some of my stuff. Also have some storage bin here which I put like sanitary items and then my bath items, and then maybe extra washcloth. I have some candles in here, shavers, like just random things I have in here.
The way that you smell, you sure this ain't a spell like voodoo. You give me feelings I never felt. Do them little things that make my heart melt. I love how you can take a joke just as well as you speak to my soul. Love the passion that your voice holds, how you never ever hypocritical. Yeah, love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain, yeah. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. Said I love it, love it, love it. Said I love it, love it, love it. Ooh, baby, I want you to know that I'll never let you go. What I say ain't just for show. No, I'll never be more sure. You deserve it all and more. Type of love you gotta earn. It's not yours. Love it when you say that you're.
See them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Bright blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like.